Hello physios. Today we learn on condition on gout as it is a form of arthritis. Let's go into the notes. Firstly, we can see in this picture as there is an excessive concentration of uric acid and some purine in the blood, it causes the precipitation of your gout. So as a result, you can see here inflammatory arthritis, and mostly the disease is mostly seen in first metatarsophalangeal joints and metacarpophalangeal joints in men, and it will be older than 40 years. Mostly the kidney is unable to separate this combination of both purine bodies and uric acid concentration, and the deposit of biurate of soda occur around the affected joints. So the joint changes in subchondral cyst, and you can see osteophyte formation, and in late stages you can see the spaces between the joints. Some of the clinical features: inflammation in the acute phase with hard and tender nodule known as chalk stones or tophi. And you can also have fever at night, but involved joint is comparatively pain-free during the daytime. It means you having fever at night, and at daytime your joint will be the pain-free. And the treatment in acute stages, you can use colchicine, probenecide, indomethacin with amount of 75 to 200 milligrams. In addition to, you can also use anti-inflammatory analgesic drugs along with colchicine. Lithium ionization is done, and you can also have cryotherapy. Why? Because it is pain and inflammation can be used with cryotherapy technique. Like you can use crushed ice packs and other non-thermal modalities. Maybe try to reduce the inflammation and pain. Next, pseudogout. As you can see in the picture, it is mostly affects your wrist joint and knee joint. That is your pseudogout. It is seen in most older age groups, which affects your knee and wrist. You can see any joint, it is surrounded by your articular cartilages and the calcification of your cartilage. That is called, both together called as chondrocalcinosis, and it has some deposition of calcium pyrophosphate crystals. And the clinical features and treatment same as your follow as gout. Thanks for watching SPN.